You have reached the Yuma Justice Court, Precinct 1, the Honorable Gregory Stewart presiding. For English, our business hours are...
Please wait while I transfer your call.
Justice Court, this is Susan.
Susan,
How may I help you?
This is Billy Rosquin.
Yes?
I just
How can I
left you a
help you, sir?
voicemail. I'm having trouble getting a hold of you.
I was waiting, and I go, hey, I ran up to the front. I said, hey, I didn't get this guy's call. Did he hang up, or?
Oh, I really appreciate you getting a hold of me. I know I just left you a voicemail. I'm like, these people are so hard to deal with. I apologize.
That's okay. Well, how
You're
can
very busy down there, huh?
we are swamped.
I don't care how many times I call there. I can't never get a live person except for Marilyn twice now, and I think I call like 500 times to get 2 times on the phone.
Well, sorry about that. We do get a bunch of phone calls.
My concern is, I have a friend who's got a civil traffic case.
Okay.
And she's trying to get it in front of a judge, which means she needs a hearing. And she was told to fill out a form that you guys offer to do that.
Or she can write on a piece of paper that she's requesting a hearing in front of a hearing officer. And she just needs to reference her name, her ticket number, or if she has a case number.
Okay, so if she said, for example, my name is Alicia, ticket 123, I need a hearing on the civil traffic case, that'd be fine?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm requesting a hearing in front of the hearing officer on my citation, and make sure that she has her address and phone number.
Yeah, and she can just give that to the clerk.
Right. She can, or write it on the paper so they can get back to her about a date.
Yeah, they said something about it. It'll probably be about 3 weeks out.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not concerned with the when. It's just this seems to be a very complicated process. You're making it very simple. Thank you, by the way. But I'm also concerned why can't she take the form home and fill it out, or get counsel on it? Why is she chained to the desk with it?
Oh, no, it's just a basic, just on a piece of paper.
I appreciate what you said. That's very clear to me.
Yeah.
But Alicia's very simple, so it was very stressful to her. And I myself talked to Maryland at the desk, and she made it very clear there was no way in hell that form would leave the courthouse. And that infuriates me. That frustrates the interests of justice. I mean, she can't talk to somebody and figure out how to fill it out properly or nothing. She's just got to do it right at the counter.
Well, we can't tell you how. Yeah, we can't tell you how to.
No, she wanted to take it and fill it out, and they said she could not leave the courthouse with that form, and that's an obstruction of justice. I'd just like to understand this process a little more.
Right.
Yeah.
And if she'd like, you can have her fax it if she doesn't want to come down here.
Well, she's already on her way back, but I'd like her to have the form so she can take it and fill it out. I don't see why that would be a problem.
No, it's not a problem.
Okay, could you please instruct the desk to change how they do business with people? This is very frustrating. But I appreciate your kindness. You've really helped me with this process. I will try and reach out to her. I think she's on the road, but going to you guys. But I'll see if I can reach her and tell her how to fill out the form and stuff.
Okay. Would you like her fax number if she wants to?
No, she's not going to be faxing it, but she just.
Okay.
I even, for myself, asked if they could email it to me. Apparently, you guys don't have online forms. Most courts in the entire world have all their paperwork online, but
a lot of ours is not, where you're still kind of old school.
That's fine. I can appreciate that. I like paper and pencil too, but some of these processes are frustrating me. I'm like, are you telling me they wouldn't let you leave with it? She said, yeah, they told me I could not leave with it at all, no matter what. I said, I'm going to talk to the administrator and see if I can figure this out. Because why she can't get counsel on filling it out is goofy. That's a fundamental right is to get counsel.
They won't explain to her. Yeah, they won't.
No, I don't need her. I don't need them to give her advice. She needs to have the form in her hand so she can ask people who know. Hey, what do I put here? Okay, that's your name. Put your name. Okay, She
Mhm.
needs to be able to trust other people with it, not the people at the counter.
Yeah.
So you understand my frustration with that. But I
Yes.
appreciate you helping me through this
Okay.
process. I'll tell her to get the form and just bring it home to fill it out.
Okay.
So if she gets it back to you, either the paper or the form, today, then it shouldn't be a problem over the holiday, and you'll get it. You'll reach out to her promptly and get her
Well, they'll
scheduled.
clock it in, and then they'll send her out either a notice on her court date.
Okay. So probably within a week, she'll hear from you guys in the mail, and
Oh,
it'll
yeah.
be towards the
Yes.
end of the month. You're saying?
Well, I'm not sure exactly the what date, but
But it
yeah,
won't be
she will get a
quickly.
notice.
She'll have a little bit of time.
No. Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Susan. You've been most helpful.
You're welcome.
Have a good
You have a
day.
good day, sir. Mhm. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.